Well, good morning. Bruno and I are taking a little drive here, and I thought I would explain what's been going on in the last few weeks. And we just got back from Payson about a week ago, and I haven't been able to get out yet. We've been dealing with family business, and we had one of the tenants on the property pass away, and that kind of held things up, and busy dealing with that right now. But tomorrow I'm going to go out and hunt for nuggets because I'm overdue on a nugget. And the sad thing right now is the whole state of Arizona is in a horrible drought. I don't know, I don't think it's rained since March sometime. We might have got a little bit of rain, but not much, and it's not a good thing. So you go out in the desert now, and even the creosote bushes are looking super stressed out. Some of the cactus are dying, actually, and it's really sad to see. You know, the last 2 years we didn't get our spring rain at all. Last year we got literally no monsoon in this area anyway. Some of the areas in Arizona seem to get a little rain, but the rest of us are seeing some mighty dry conditions, and they've already started closing the forests and stuff like that. But as long as you're not using motorized equipment, you can still go out and metal detect and whatnot. So, like I said, I'm going to get out tomorrow morning and give it a whirl, see if I can't get a nugget or two. And I got my new store going. Well, it's not my new store, it's the old store that got kind of closed by the virus. And I've reopened it and getting it cleaned up. And I'll show that to you this week too after I get done cleaning. It's kind of a mess right now. And I also have a new website coming up real soon, and a friend of mine in New Hampshire is helping with that, and giving it a new face and a little easier to use. And you'll be able to get to my store and look at my metal detector products, my lab, and Nugget, and some of the others, Macro, and it'll be a lot more user friendly, which is good. So like I said, I'll show you that too. And I don't know, tomorrow when I get out in the desert, sorry about the quality here, I'm having trouble. Tomorrow when I get out in the desert, I'll show you what I'm talking about, this drought. And there was literally no flowering going on except along the highways, because along the highways there is water that runs off the highway and gets the shoulder of the road wet. So the plants right along the edge of the road do a little better than the plants that are actually out in the desert. And I don't know, if we don't get some rain pretty soon, it's going to get real ugly. And interesting fact is, I was talking to somebody and they said the only record of a drought this bad was 1,200 years ago, and the Inca recorded it, and it lasted 20 years. And I think right now we're somewhere near 12 years into this drought, and just every year it seems like we get less and less rain, and it's a little spooky in a way. It really is. And I don't know, it's really nothing I can do about it, but you feel helpless. You just feel so helpless. And I have seen it real dry here before, but I've also seen it real wet. When Tammy came here in 2017, I believe it was, we had weeds and stuff in the spring this time of year everywhere. It was bright green, flowers everywhere. It was amazing. And she was just blown away because, wow, Arizona's supposed to be arid and dry. Well, it wasn't those 2 years, and we thought the drought was over. But then both those years we didn't get any rain in the summer to speak of, and it's looking like it's going to be that way again this year. Yeah, it is what it is. On the other side, on the flip-flop of that, it's going to be good for dry washing, and that, you know, they're not going to have to worry about the washers running and flooding us while we're out there trying to metal detect. So I don't know. I still think it's really sad. And we're not the only ones experiencing it. Everybody in the Southwest is having a rough time right now. Yeah, I don't know. Can't change the weather. But I guess we're going to probably try to get back up north here this year, this spring, or late spring. I guess we're going into summer pretty quick here. We're going to try to get back up north and fool around up there a little bit and do some fishing. And I get out early in the morning here when it's still nice and cool and get the gold hunting done. And I'd really like to get to California or Nevada or somewhere this year too and do some gold hunting there. I don't know. It just depends on how the cards fall. That's pretty much how it is. Tammy's feeling great now. She went through a lot of stomach issues, and she found this new probiotic, however you say it, and a fiber mix that she's been taking now for about 3 weeks. And it's almost like she's right back to normal. She's gaining weight again and able to eat without any trouble. And I'm pretty happy about that. I'm very happy about that. I was a little worried there for a while. As far as I'm going, I'm doing just fine, just the same old self. And, I kind of need to apologize for not getting a video up for the last couple weeks or so. But just sometimes life gets in the way. You just can't do as much as you'd like, especially as you start aging a little bit. It is what it is, right? So, my friends, this is just a short little how you doing, and hope you all stuck with me. And I'll get back into teaching and showing you how I find gold. And I got a couple stories I'm going to tell coming up here. Like I said, I'm going to show you my new store. And we picked up another vehicle, another truck, Chevy truck. So I'll be working on that a little bit too. And I don't know, life's pretty good in Arizona. I just wish it rained. So, my friends, for now, like, subscribe, ring the bell. I'm going to get back into doing what I do best. And y'all have a good day. Nugget Shooter out.